Good morning, students. Today I am explaining you the chapter life process, chapter number 5, which is the first chapter of your biology. Students, what is the meaning of life process? So the basic functions performed by living organisms to maintain their life on this earth are called life processes, like nutrition, respiration, transport, excretion, control and coordination, growth, and reproduction. All of these are called life processes. All that means they perform some basic function to keep themselves alive. That is also known as life processes. Today I am explaining you the first life process, that is also known as nutrition. Nutrition. So nutrition is a process of obtaining food from our surrounding in the form of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. In other language, we can say that a nutrient can be defined as a substance which an organism obtains from its surrounding and uses it as a source of energy or for the biosynthesis of its body constitute, like formation of tissues, formation of organisms. Now I am explaining you the what are the modes of nutrition. Modes of nutrition means methods of procuring food or obtaining food by an organism. That means all the organisms do not obtain their food in the same way. Different organisms have different foods methods of procuring food or obtaining food. So, modes of nutrition, there are two modes of nutrition. First is autotrophic and second is heterotrophic. Students, what do you know about autotrophic? Autotrophic means auto means self and troph means nutrition. Thus, autotrophic means self nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition is that mode of nutrition in which an organism make or synthesize its own food from the simple inorganic material like carbon dioxide and water present in the surrounding. This procedure is also known as photosynthesis. But before explaining the photosynthesis, we will describe the other mode of nutrition, that is known as heterotrophic nutrition. So hetero means other, depend on other, and trophic means nutrition. So heterotrophic nutrition is that mode of nutrition in which an organism cannot make its own food from simple inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water. They depend on other organisms for consuming their food. So now question arises, what is the main difference between autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition? So in short manner we can say that those organisms which can make their own food from carbon dioxide and water are called autotrophs. Clear? Examples, all green plants are called autotrophs except all the green plants, other organisms, blue green algae and the bacteria. Clear? And heterotrophic nutrition, all the animals have a heterotrophic mode of nutrition. They do not make their own food and depend on other organisms for their food. For example, fungi like yeast. Clear? And all the non-green plants are also called heterotrophs. Students, you know that how does autotrophs make their own food? So you know very well that a process, this is named as photosynthesis. So all the green plants make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. What do you know about photosynthesis? So the process of photosynthesis take place in the green leaves of a plant in which carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll convert into glucose, which is C6H12O6. In this process, carbon dioxide is used and oxygen is evolved. In other words, we can say that food is made in the green leaves of the plant. The green leaves of a plant make the food by combining carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. The carbon dioxide gas required for making food is taken by the plant's leaves from the air. This carbon dioxide enters the leaves through tiny pores, which tiny pores is known as stomata. Water required for making food is taken from the soil. This water is transported to the leaves from the soil through the roots and stem. The sunlight provides energy required to carry out the chemical